So welcome back everybody. I've received a swap package today. This is from a lady called Kathleen Sundby. I was already a subscriber to Kathleen's YouTube channel and really liked her journals, and then she reached out and suggested we do a swap. So we have done a swap, and this is how my package has arrived today. Beautifully wrapped. I have sent my swap to Kathleen a couple of days ago. It's not quite as nicely wrapped, Kathleen, so I'm sorry about that. It's not my strength, but hopefully you'll like the journal that's in there. Anyway, I've never done this before, literally unwrapped on screen. So I'm going to give it a go today. Oh, and it's knotted, so there we go. This is a kind of crepe paper, I think, that it's wrapped in. It's beautiful colour, and some lovely ribbon as well. I think these are a few extras that Kathleen said she'd popped in. So let's have a look at these, and then I'll show you the journal. So this is one of her snippets. I see that was over the top. Looks like handmade paperclip. Really pretty snippet. I just started doing a few of those myself recently. And slides, which, Kathleen, I don't know whether you asked me this or whether you know this, I've been aching for some of these. I used to have some a long time ago, and in an old moment of madness decluttering, I got rid of them, and I love them. So thank you for those. Perfect. I'll pop everything over here. And this, I think, are a few papers. She wrote in her note that she'd included some old book pages. So I'll show you those. Oh, look at these. I think just immediately, I love the combination of colours and the layering. If you've seen my most recent journal, you'll realise that I'm trying to do a bit more shabby chic and a bit more layering within my journals, and using these old papers is perfect. Look at that, Kathleen, it's just beautiful. Kathleen's style is very different from mine, which is partly why I like her journals so much. And then there's a selection of beautiful papers. These are lovely. That's wild rose, carnation rose. I call that bramble here. Well, I do. Thank you, those are gorgeous. And let's have a look at the journal. I'm not going to read the card, but she's put a beautiful flower on here. I don't know if you made that, Kathleen, and if so, I don't know what you've used, but it's very beautiful. And some hand stitched or handmade paper with some stitching. I think this journal is on Kathleen's channel. It's called Charlotte. So if you want to go and have a look at it on her channel, that's the one you need to look for. And it is, I should tell you, it is a one signature soft exposed spine journal with hand stitched linen cover. Let's have a look. I think this is going to be, I think I'm going to be in awe, to be quite honest. So this is the cover. I'm assuming this is the front because this is pinned to the front. This is Kathleen's card. and a beautiful linen cover. Isn't that just gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at this. And this is her journal. Oh, it's just lovely. Look at it. So, so that's done with, so they've got canvas, cheesecloth, some muslin, and obviously some lace there. So let's have a quick look through. I'm not going to go into huge detail, partly because I want to savour it, and partly because, as I say, you can see this on her own channel, but I think you can see that it is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful, and I shall treasure it, Kathleen, absolutely treasure it. Thank you. A very talented lady. I'm going to put her links underneath this video, and I would love it if you would visit her YouTube channel and support her. It's a lovely receipt letter. You can see this is a large paper bag that she's used as a page and a pocket. Lots of snippets, lots of interest. It's very, very beautiful. I won't get everything out. I'll let you look at Kathleen's version of it, and she'll tell you what she's done and how she's done it probably. That's just lovely. So thank you so much, Kathleen, for sharing or for swapping with me or suggesting the swap. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. That's some ribbon that she's just spiralled round to a little rose. I love roses. I love these colours. I love the soft reds and pinks and peaches. I want to get everything out, but I think I'll just flick through it so you can see it, and then, as I say, you can go and have a look on Kathleen's channel. It's just delightful. It's clever. Looks like some old dictionary paper backed onto a printout. Coin envelope. This is a tea card. That's a really pretty colour as well. Kathleen, I absolutely love it. I'm thrilled to get this, and I really hope that people visit you and support you and admire your beautiful work. Thank you so much. Bye bye.